Most beginners blow their deposits, and that's not a coincidence. But if you're trading binary options and you've already figured out that you won't last long here without a clear system, this video is made specifically for you. Hey everyone, you're on the Arthur Troit channel. Today I'll show you my personal method for pumping up a deposit on the Pocket Option Broker using a 1-minute time frame. I'll try to explain everything as simply and clearly as possible so that each of you can figure it out and apply this method in practice. This video is perfect for both beginners and more experienced traders. So let's not waste any more time and get straight into trading. Before starting a trading session, I always recommend setting the chart type to candlesticks. It's the most optimal chart type on this broker. For the interval, I've chosen 1-minute candles. That's what we'll use for trading and technical analysis today. I've only got $500 on my deposit, and my goal for this video is to pump it up to at least $1,000. I'll show you later which tool will help me pull that off, but for now, let's move on to picking currency pairs. We're trading in Forex mode, adding stable currency pairs with a payout of at least 70%. Switching over to the Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Let's do a quick technical analysis on this asset. Right away, I'm marking the local support level with a horizontal line. We can also mark the local resistance level here. Basically, the price can't go above this zone. Right now, it's moving along an upward trend line. A lot of traders would open a position here betting on a downward correction. This strategy is based on trading while cross-checking your technical analysis with signals from an AI-powered bot. I'll share this find with you using my own example, showing you how I use it to earn consistently on this broker and double-check my technical analysis with AI. This bot is completely free, and all the info about it is in the Telegram channel linked in the description. Now let's move on to setting up this tool. After launching it through the Telegram channel, all you really have to do in the trade settings is pick your trading mode. Today we're trading in Forex mode, so we'll stick with that. There'll be a video about OTC mode a bit later, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to picking our asset. We've already done a quick technical analysis on the Australian dollar and Japanese yen. I'm adding this currency pair, setting the expiration time to 1 minute, and together with you, I'm hitting generate signal and waiting for this bot's technical analysis. In just a few seconds, the bot runs the entire technical analysis on this asset for us and then gives us a buy or sell signal. With a buy signal at 64% confidence, we're opening along this downward trend line in the upward direction. The price here should be heading toward the local high. The bot also gives us a chart where we can see the price moving along this upward trend line, even though there's a slight correction present in the market. The bot gives us a signal with 64% confidence that the price is about to shoot upward. Volatility on this asset is also at 90%. Let's add the first $140 to our deposit. I'm expecting this entry point to close in profit, less than 5 seconds left. There's a sharp upward impulse. I think we've got our first gain on the deposit. Just a few seconds and there it is. There's our first gain. And now we've got $646 on our deposit. The bot gives us an accurate signal with pinpoint precision. We're closing our first trade in profit. No issues whatsoever. The AI is handling its job just fine here. I'm restarting the bot and moving on to Euro-Dollar. Let me show you all the power of this tool. We'll open a position on this asset without any technical analysis. Euro-Dollar's on our screens. I'm setting a 1-minute expiration time in our tool, hitting generate signal, and waiting for this bot's technical analysis. The bot analyzes the situation, reads the chart, and gives us a sell signal. After one correction candle, I'm opening here in the downward direction. Earlier, the price also formed its last low right here. Let me mark this low with a horizontal line. Pullback movements used to dominate this asset earlier. A long correction formed a new price high here. Let's mark that one for you too, right here. Now the pullback movements should start dominating again. We can also mark this red candle on the chart. Pullback movements will push the price toward the local minimum value. The bot reads this situation with perfect accuracy and gives us a signal with 56% confidence that the price will close at its minimum value within the upper range. The key with this method is to open your position with second-level precision and not stack trades on overlapping signals. That way, you'll get a steady boost to your deposit. Less than 5 seconds left before our entry point closes. A sharp downward impulse lets us add another winning entry point to our profits. The most perfect trading session. The bot handles its task here without any issues whatsoever. Restarting these tools. Moving on to my selected assets. Switching to the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen pair. I'm also planning to open a position on this asset without technical analysis, fully trusting this tool. Since I've been trading with it for more than a month now, and I also know that many traders are already trading with the help of an AI bot, they simply don't show it to you on their screens. I'm sharing this find with you because this bot is free, and there's also an option to request a signal both from your phone and from a personal device, so be careful and trade with AI on your own. But we've got a buy signal here. with 65% confidence, opening from the local price maximum in the upward direction. The price here is moving upward with practically not a single corrective candle. The bot reads this situation. There's a breakout of the last high, so I'm expecting full-fledged upward impulses on this asset here. Canadian dollar and Japanese yen on the screens. On the chart, we can also see a long green candle forming on this asset. The price is moving upward without correction. Less than 15 seconds left until our entry point closes. I think we've got another gain, and now we're already over $800 on our deposit. Just a few seconds, another gain, and now we've got $933 in our account. The most perfect trading session, no issues at all thanks to these signals. Let's collect another entry point in profit. We traded this asset with 65% confidence, confidently restarting this tool and moving on to the British pound Canadian dollar. Let's take a look at the history of our trading session. There are 3 entry points in profit. On the Forex mode, this is an excellent result. Earlier, I also traded in OTC mode, easily closed all trades in profit, trading both on 5-second and 15-second candles. I managed to earn over $1,500, and I'm not planning to stop there. British pound Canadian dollar on our screens, adding this currency pair to my tool. Expiration time is also 1 minute, pressing signal generation and waiting for this bot's technical analysis. Let me repeat once again. The main thing with this method is to trade with second precision accuracy and not add overlapping trades. You see the signal and press the sell button. Confidence 61%. Opening along this updated downward trend line in the downward direction. A corrective candle closed here earlier. The doji reads this situation, telling us that pullback movements will prevail again on this asset. Payout 87%. Let's add another $150 to our account, so I'm expecting full-fledged pullback movements here and another boost to our deposit. Less than 5 seconds left until our entry point closes on the British pound Canadian dollar. Just a few seconds and there's another gain, a cherished $1,000 in our account. There's an opportunity to open one more additional entry point, so I'm switching to the euro dollar. Let's make one more entry point on the euro dollar. We did a bit of technical analysis here at the start of the trading session. We marked a local resistance level here, as well as the last minimum value on this asset. Generating my next signal. Waiting for this bot's technical analysis. The bot reads this situation in a few seconds and gives us a signal to sell our trade. Opening with 57% confidence in the downward direction, expecting full-fledged pullback movements here along this updated downward trend line. It made a sharp upward impulse earlier, but there's nothing scary about that. Even if there's another sharp impulse, I won't add overlapping trades, fully trusting this tool. Artificial intelligence doesn't let you down. It always gives you the right entry point. All you need to do is press the buy or sell button at the right time and trade with a cool head using proper money management. I'm only risking my own deposit today for the sake of this video, because I want to share this bot with you, since it's completely free. All the information about it is also available on the Telegram channel, link in the description. You can start using this bot in your own trading today. The broker doesn't prohibit using third-party tools for trading this instrument. Here, we're waiting for a sharp downward impulse. There's another gain, and now the bot has already made it. $1,220 in our account. They opened with second perfect accuracy. You can see for yourselves how a sharp downward impulse let us close another trade in profit. This correction candle was also read in advance, which added another $720 to our deposit. An absolutely perfect trading session. Without any issues, we managed to earn over $500 here in less than 10 minutes. And all of this thanks to the signals from this bot. Just a reminder that this bot is completely free. On the Telegram channel, you'll find all the reviews about this tool. You'll also see the full trading reports using this bot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, support this video with your comment. And to all of you, I wish successful trades. See you all next time. Bye, everyone.